Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. So I have a couple of diamond painting canvases, and then I also have something a little bit different. So do ignore this picture and pay attention to this picture, because this is the one that I ordered, but this is another sort of off the canvas item. Oh, it does have an opening. I'm just on the completely going on the side, not on the top. So this is a wall hanging that you can make. You could potentially call it a bit of a sun catcher as well. But this is the one that I chose because look at that. How fun summer, spring is that? I just thought it was funky, is what I thought. And then you get all sorts of bits, should I say, to go with. So you do get a toolkit with your boat wax and pen. Get an extra little bit of card. And then you do get this battery pack with little LED lights that you can feed around this if you want, so that you can have it lighting up and sparkling. And it just takes AA batteries, so 2 AA batteries in there, and this little string lights will light up. You can choose to have them scattered behind or not, it's completely up to you. You do get some foam pads for fixing the battery pack to it. You also get a little heart that you can have hanging. So there is little holes here at the bottom. There's 3 here at the bottom. There's 2 here at the side, and there's 2 bigger ones at the top. So you can choose to pop the holes here and hang it up there. You may decide that you want it down by the side, depending on where you're putting it, though I'd potentially say the top would be better. And then with this, you can either use this as a key ring, feed this one through and add it to the little key ring hoop, or you may decide to just hang it off the bottom of this using this little ball and loop chain. And you can hang it as a little extra. Choices and options, people, always good. But it's a nice silver hanger, which I like, because quite often they are gold, and I'm a little bit more of a silver than a gold person. But how fun is the image? And then for the diamonds themselves, we have a few rhinestones, and then we also have some special shapes. So for the rhinestones, we've got dark green, lime green, orange, of course, quite a few pinks, some more orange, black, yellow, a brighter reddy orange, and a hot pink, to give you all these fun summer colours in the background. Oh, okay, which way do you want to fold? Make your mind up, please. I don't know which way it wants to fold. We'll throw them in there. You also then get some special shapes. So we have round pearlized in yellow, which look to go in the centre of the flowers. We have some gold petal shapes. What number's that one? 13. They actually make up the petals of some of the flowers that then have the yellow in the middle. We have some orange teardrop shapes, which also make the petals in some of the flowers. Pink teardrops, number 14. These flowers down here. And then we have some gorgeous pink hearts, which won't lie flat. There we go. Some pink heart rhinestones, which go up here. And then a few down here as well. So you get a couple of extras. So there's 5 that look to go on here, and you get 7, which percentage wise is a good amount of extras should anything happen or you drop one. But look at the fun of that image. How cool would that look hung up in a window with the light reflecting in the summer? Awesome. So that is one item that I got because I couldn't resist the summer vibes. And then, did I carry on the summer vibes with paintings? And that is the question. Let's have a look. Because it's been a while. Not ages, but it's been long enough for me to have a sleep since I ordered these. This first one is a partial. I'm still sticking spring summery, aren't I? Look at that though. So simple yet so beautiful. We've got a little bird with a heart, and we've got a little bird in this gorgeous tree. So this is a partial special diamond painting. It has 6 different colours of diamond. You do get a toolkit with boat wax pen. It is a little bit curly because there is not a lot of glue to weigh it down. But you could put this under something heavy and it will flatten. Or I have ironed the back of these before. And for the diamonds, we get some brown to create the tree trunk. We get some green, and that is the scattering of green leaves. We have some turquoise, which again, it's sort of got turquoise leaves. Some nice hot pink in rhinestones. Another shade of blue in rhinestones. And then we get these gorgeous petals or teardrop shapes that make up all these flowers in the tree. So you can see we've got the green and the 2 different types of turquoise in the backgrounds, and then we've got the petals and the little pink rhinestones, and then of course the brown makes up this gorgeous branch and sort of ground space, and then you put some of the hot pink in the little heart as well, so the birdie's got a little bit. Absolutely love that. And it wouldn't take long at all to do, but how beautiful would that look in many rooms in the house? Little baby's nursery, that would look gorgeous in. It would even look nice hung up in any room, probably in your house. I just love the pink and the turquoise, but it's a subtle pink and turquoise, it's not an in the face. So that one is going to be very fun to do. And then we have, last but not least, am I sticking spring summer, or does something else caught my eye? Summerish, but something else has caught my eye. So this one is a 30 by 40. We do have some sunflowers, but this definitely has more of a darker tone to it than a bright one, but it's still a fun picture. So this is like a farmyard, maybe. Maybe it's just somebody's front garden with loads of space. Gorgeous hills and stuff in the background. We've got a nice mountain or a hill, depending on how big it is, in the background. You've got your trees, your little garage / work shed, the main house, and some beautiful sunflowers and daisies on the front. You do get a toolkit, boat wax pen, and we have a mixture. Say a lot are quite muted colours in this one, but we do have some funkier colours as well. So we have some greys and blacks, give us that muted tone, along with browns, burgundies, greens, couple more colours that are a little bit more of a pop. We've got your beiges, your browns, your mustards, your dark greens, and then we do have a few more pops of colour to help bring some of those details, some of those smaller details to life. So a nice quite a different selection for today, even if there is some spring vibes coming on. But I will pop a link to, of course, all of these in the description box below. Thank you as always to Fansells for both sending me these items and for sponsoring Fansells Friday. I hope you like the goodies I've chosen. Do let me know if there is anything in particular you want to see from Fansells. If there's anything you want to see me unbox, do please let me know. I'm always open, you know, to getting something that some of you guys maybe want to actually see in real life as much as you can on a video. Either bob a comment or bob me an email with a link, and I will see if I can pop it on my next order. But thank you all so much for watching. Excuse me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.